Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good job. Welcome to getting this far. What I need you to do now is I need you to take a look at some of the basics that we're going to talk about in Google Classroom. Now, clearly you're going to go to Google Classroom using your app launcher / waffle / ice cube tray, whatever. Okay, go to Classroom right up there. Then you're going to choose which classroom you belong to. Now, folks, if you don't know this one, I can't help you. You're going to have to know which one to use. Let's do geometry for now because they're really looking the same right now at this point anyway. Now, you will see on this first page, you will see the stream. The stream is where everything goes as soon as it's posted and any announcements and all this stuff. But here's the thing, never, ever, ever, listen carefully, never, ever, 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 ever really pay attention to the stream, because the stream is like that guy that you know that just rambles all the time. Like, I like cats. Cats have stripes. Stripes are cool. You know, how stripes? Gum has stripes, and those stripes are on two trains. I like trains. Like, the stream is a mess. You can't ever get any good information off the stream. So when I ask the question, do we pay attention to the stream? The answer is no. Okay, now what do we pay attention to? We go over here to classwork, because under classwork, we're going to have all sorts of cool stuff like assignments, okay? So everything that you have, the assignments, they're going to be in classwork. Now, in this particular case, I'm really leaning towards using topics like this. So for week 1, this assignment is going to be under week 1. Okay, then guess what? Then we'll have things like week 2. All right, and so I'll move week 2 here under week 1, and I'll put week 2 stuff underneath there, followed by week 3, yada, 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 so that you can at least kind of tell where will the assignments that are in Google Classroom be. Now, the other thing I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to group things so that all of our assignments, all of our planning are in a few different places rather than all of these lists of all of this stuff all over the place, okay? Now, you have the People tab. People tab is great, okay? That's going to tell you about the people in the class. Yay. If you see that you still have an invite near your name, please go make sure you get online for this. Okay, let's talk about grades. Now, first things first, okay? The Grades tab in Google Classroom, it's not awesome, okay? Because here's the problem. Not everything you do, the grades are going to be put into Google Classroom. And not all the grades in Google Classroom are going to add up to be your percentage in the class. Okay? So what you need to make sure of is you need to make sure that this Grades tab is not something you're really actually looking too much about. Because with the grades, it's not going to be very accurate. You're going to find your grades over in Skyward. So the tabs that you care about are the Classwork tab, and that's pretty much it, okay? Classwork tab, that's pretty much it. So that's what you need to know for Google Classrooms right now. Stream, no bueno. Grades, no bueno, okay? People find classwork is where you're living and breathing, okay? That's where you're going to find the assignments. All right, guys, that's Google Classroom for now.